Hi, I'm Rahul. I'm from Maldives and near Tirupati. And from today onward, I decided to improve my English. Like I am not a fluent and I'm just beginner in English. So I have a good technical knowledge, but I am failing in communication round. So I have seen many videos on YouTube how to improve English. Like they have there are many videos like they show like some of steps are to follow. And for example, in one video they showed like you want to you wanna listen a podcast or English conversation for 30 minutes, and some of other people told like you have to see a video of conversation with subtitles and listen for 30 minutes. And some members like told me you want to learn 10 new words with phrases or formation of sentence. And in another way they showed like um, to write down the keywords you want to learn. And I also want to improve my pronunciation. Like I have a problem like asthma, so I can't pronounce words fluently, so I want to improve. So I have seen a video like putting a pen under your mouth. By practicing like that you can improve our English. So I want to improve my English in this way. So I want to check my progress, so I am recording this video. If anyone want to give me a suggestion or can give me in comments box. That's all.